Good morning, students. Everything in the universe, including human, is a part of a mathematical structure. All matter is made up of particles, but these properties are purely mathematical. Space itself has properties such as dimensions, but is still ultimately a mathematical structure. The pattern of seeds within a sunflower follows the Fibonacci sequence. This is the fundamental mathematics of all stringed instruments which Pythagoras figured out. Everything goes around by the numbers. Every student who enter into a high school gets introduced to this chapter in maths, algebra. What is algebra? Algebra helps in solving the mathematical equations and to derive the unknown quantities. Students, now you all will have a doubt about unknown quantity and how to define it in a clear manner. The letter variables in the algebra can be used to represent the unknown quantities. It is a placeholder for unknown values. It is usually denoted by the small alphabets. Learning algebra helps to develop your critical thinking skills that included problem solving, logic, patterns, and reasoning. You need to know algebra for many professions, especially those in science and maths. Let's see about the history of algebra. Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, a 9th century Persian mathematician, geographer, and astronomer, is regarded as the father of algebra. The word algebra comes from the Arabic word al-jabr, which translates to reunion of broken parts. A mathematician who does research in algebra is called an algebraist. The beginning of algebra have been traced back as far as ancient Egypt and Babylon. No one person has been given complete credit for the subject algebra. However, two of the best known fathers of algebra are Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi and Diophantus, who made contribution to the second stage of algebra. The history of algebra classified into three parts: the rhetorical or written stage, which means only words were used in equations. Second, the syncopated or shortened stage, which means some symbols were used in equation. The symbolic or modern stage. Symbols represent known and unknown magnitude. Students, you will think, will I use algebra in real life? The application of algebra are uncountable. Mathematics is one of the first thing you learn in life. Even as a baby, you learn to count and then move on to draw objects and figures. All of these are important preparation to doing algebra. In early stages of development, an infant makes use of algebra to calculate trajectories, and you might be surprised to know how. A 16-week baby is able to assess the direction of an object approaching and is even able to determine the position where the object will land. What do you think? Of course, it's algebra. Despite the fact that the infants have no theoretical knowledge of the algebraic operations, yet they are able to make efficient use of it. Algebra does not even leave behind sports to make use of it. If you look closely the basketball players, they are calculating the trajectory to score a point. The permutation of Rubik's cube have a group structure. The group is a fundamental concept within abstract algebra. When we are playing games also we use algebra, pointing from where to start and where to end. Students, you would have seen formulas in science and maths. These formulas are the cornerstones of elementary algebra. We can calculate the perimeter of a rectangle by using this formula. Perimeter equal to 2 into length plus 2 into width. This formula relates three quantities: perimeter, length, width. Instead of using words to represent these quantities, we can write it as P, L and W. Variables in the formula are replaced by the actual or literal values corresponding to a specific instance of the relationship. The study of algebra helps in logical thinking and enables a person to break down a problem first and then find its solution. Algebra is crucial in business as in other fields. A business owner makes use of algebraic operations to calculate the profit or loss. Algebra is also considered as a trump card for success in any business. Thank you.